at the shear force and bending moment diagram of the uniformly distributed load, which is the plane in flight. Syllabus says you need to know maths for point loads only, so the maths for the aeronautical is above us, but it does say you need to know the effects of a uniformly distributed load on a simple beam. So let's recap that from civil. A point load, the shear force diagram, as you know, you follow the forces. I'm not following these red lines. It might look like that, but they are always flat. The bending moment diagram is basically diagonal sloped lines. That is for a point load. For a uniformly distributed load, the shear force diagram is slopes, sloped lines. The bending moment diagram of uniformly distributed loads is a curve. That is the effect of a uniformly distributed load on the shear force diagram. Let's have a look now at what's happening in the aircraft. Shear force diagram. Goes up, goes down. It looks something like that. We're following the engines down where there is a point load. Where there's uniformly distributed load, it's sloped, as I just said. And the bending moment diagram is well and truly above the syllabus. I've just drawn in green over the top. Every time you hit one of those, there's a change in slope. It looks something like that, but it's well and truly above the syllabus.